Alright, so we are back on another video. Thanks for clicking on this video, guys. Thanks for deciding to watch this video. Please watch to the end. So at the Rubis gas station right here on Eastwood Park Road, I know you guys can see a glimpse of the Alpha Tree Transport Center. So this is where we're starting the drive for today, and we're driving from the Alpha Tree Transport Center to MOLYNES Road. But what we're gonna do differently, we're gonna take some minor roads, which we usually use to, avoid traffic. So we won't take the main road today. So stay tuned if you're new to the channel. And again, this is the transport center. Multiple commuters pass through this on a daily basis. I think I did a check one time, it's over 100,000 persons pass through here. That's the main transportation hub in Kingston, and that's where the JUTC buses, that big yellow bus in front of us, that's where they depart and arrive. So we're on Eastwood Park Road in Alpha Tree, and we're heading to MOLYNES Road. So we have the Burger King over there on the right, Burger King Alpha Tree. Alright, so it's a morning drive, so I know a lot of persons are hustling and bustling to work. Taxis are in a frenzy, trying to catch as much passengers. Alright, so we'll now take the left right here on COURTNEY WALSH Drive. We know COURTNEY WALSH is one of our most popular cricketers for West Indies. Alright. So this is the COURTNEY WALSH Drive, named after the famous COURTNEY WALSH. We have a BPO right here on the left, VXI, very big facility. There's also a cricket oval on this road as well. I'll do a quick spin around in the complex so you guys can see. A lot of distribution companies are also on this road, hence why the trucks. Kris and Charles Investment Limited has partnered with the channel Raymore Reviews, so you guys definitely show them some support. They're also having a promotion right now, so this is the promotion. It's the feel free promotion. Borrow up to $1 million and pay less than $20,000 monthly. So the promotion runs until the end of April 2021, so you guys definitely check them out, and you can even WhatsApp them to 838-9028. so check them out, guys. Kris and Charles Investment Company Limited partnered with the channel, so show them some support. So COURTNEY WALSH Drive, and this is the Melbourne Cricket Oval. So just gonna spin around for you quickly. I don't think much activities are happening, but the cricket oval is still here. Not going all the way in, but I'm gonna make a turn right about now. So right in Alpha Tree you have this cricket ground, Melbourne Cricket Oval. Very big space. I know with the pandemic a lot of sporting activities has been scaled down, but this is prime real estate right here in Kingston, prime real estate. If this owner ever decides to sell it, which I don't think they should, because we need these green spaces, but if they ever decide to sell this facility, I'm sure it's gonna be some hundreds of millions of dollars. But it's very central. right in Alpha Tree. Alright, so we're back on Courtney Walsh Drive. And again, we're heading to MOLYNES Road. So that's the plan. You know, in the morning is the worst drive you'll see from the taxis because everybody's racing for passengers. So you just have to ensure you're driving safely and watching out for them. And for those who are not familiar with Jamaica, for license plate, the taxis have a red license plate. That's public passenger vehicle. Private vehicles have a white license plate. Company vehicles have a green license plate. Government vehicles have a yellow license plate. And car marts who need to have a demonstration plate have a sky blue license plate. So persons who are not familiar with Jamaica, that's just a quick point of interest. So the color helps everyone, including the police, to know what the vehicle is registered for. So right now we're on Westminster Road. And we're in the MOLYNES community. So all these areas is different branches or branch offs from MOLYNES Road. So this is the MOLYNES community. So we're now on the CASSIA Park Avenue Road, and we're now approaching the CASSIA Park community, or we're in the CASSIA Park community, which is a community that adjoins MOLYNES community. And then from CASSIA Park Avenue we'll go on to CASSIA Park Road. Take this left to go onto CASSIA Park Road. Then from CASSIA Park Road we'll go on to Moortown Park Terrace, which is this right turn here. So we're on Moortown Park Terrace, and this community now is called Moortown Park, and we're gonna drop out on MOLYNES Road. So that's just a quick navigation from Alpha Tree back onto MOLYNES Road via some minor roads. So that was the drive. So again, I appreciate you guys watching the video till the end. Definitely appreciate that. Alright, so we just finished Moortown Park Terrace. We're now entering MOLYNES Road. So again guys, thanks for your support. Thanks for watching until the end. Really appreciate it. And thanks to everyone that always, you know, leave a comment, always watch as much video as they can. Really appreciate the support, guys. The channel is growing. It may be slowly, but we are growing. So what we want to do is to always, you know, bring quality content to the channel. Alright, guys. So see you on another video.